How Nade? Welcome to Lagos. Today I have some gentleman here who's going to be showing me around Lagos. A lot of you told me that, oh, you need to visit like nice places in Lagos and all that. So he's going to be showing me around. I don't know the name of the place, but let's introduce our guest first.
Hi, my name is Ovo, and I'm a Lagos-based drone pilot and cinematographer. Well, Lagos is, I would say, a bubbling city. It's a city that never sleeps. It's fun to be in, but it can be very stressful because of traffic and the hustle and bustle of getting around. One of the great ways to see Lagos is viewing it from above. That's why I love being a drone pilot. You get to see things from different perspectives. You get to the eye in the sky like a bird and taking a glimpse of the city. It's usually surreal. It's beautiful, you know. But right now we'll be droning this beautiful marina. We're gonna see what it looks like from above. Many Lagosians usually don't see it. They just usually stuck in traffic and looking at it from the side. But right now, we're taking beautiful drone shots of the place.
I'm looking forward to that. I hope you're enjoying this video, and make sure you check out his YouTube channel, subscribe, support our brother, and if you want to see the beautiful places, beautiful sights of Lagos, this is the man. This is the man.
Yeah, you can check me out at Ovo_Dehrie, and you can also check the company I freelance with, Startups Media. They have great, amazing gadgets. You should check us out.
All right, thank you. So we can go.
We're currently at TBS, as you can see, Tafawa Balewa Square. That's the full meaning of what TBS is. It was formerly a race course during the very early beginnings, and now it's used for events and stuff. So, yeah. Still in TBS, Tafawa Balewa Square, and this is the spot where Nigeria gained her independence in 1960. And if you can see that high-rise building there is the former Defense Building before it was taken to Abuja. Alright, as you can see, that's the National Coat of Arms, and telling from history, photos and books and videos, the square was filled on the day Nigeria gained our independence, and the British flag was coming down, and the Nigerian flag was going up. Ba, 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 ba. Don't mind me. But taking a look at it, you know that a lot of people were seated around, judging from the way it looks. I wasn't born in 1960, but thanks to history. Like I said earlier, it was formerly a racing course. As you can see, we have horses, statue of horses at the top, and then we also have the famous Eyo statue down here at the bottom.
What's that?
The Eyo statue, popularly known as Lagos Masquerade, but they are called Eyo statues.
Okay.
It's one of the major symbols of Lagos State. Yeah. Unfortunately, the umbrellas are covering them, so you will not see them. Okay, we have one that is very visible over here. That is the famous Lagos Eyo Masquerade.
What they call the real streets of Lagos Island, the real streets of Lagos Island. Why are you remaining behind?
Hey guys, this way we are on now leads towards CMS from TBS, that is the Tafawa Balewa Square. So let's go. We are going to walk down. I'm here with Ovo and African Tigress. Ovo is behind us.
We're looking like we are migrating.
Yeah, he's the one taking us around today, around CMS.
You're special and she reckless. Mbe, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're heading towards the old defense building. It's by the right of us. Come take a look.
Take them, baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright.
This is the old defense building before it was moved to Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory.
Everything good, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you.
So we are going to spend the rest of the day touring the city, flying the drone. I hope you enjoyed this video and it convinces you to subscribe. Go check out Ovo's channel, and in case you're in Lagos, he can offer you some tours in the city, and he can as well give you some drone services. Let him know that African Tigress sent you to subscribe to his YouTube channel. So until next time, goodbye and enjoy the rest of the video.
Do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing through, it don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, riding casually, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Look, best friend and big family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do now.